here we have the bolt for the bracket assembly completed, right? The next thing we're gonna draw now, we're gonna draw the nut, the hex nut for the drawing, all right? So that is what we'll be doing now. All right, so we're gonna draw our hex nut and we're gonna choose our center line layer. We're gonna draw a line and we're gonna draw a line from here coming down to there. Enter. All right, we're gonna draw a hexagon. So we're gonna go polygon. We're gonna choose, before to do that, we're gonna change the layer to the outline layer. We're gonna then go to the polygon. We're gonna draw a hexagon, 6 sides. The center point we're gonna choose here. We're gonna draw a circumscribed circle. The radius would be 22.5. Let us measure this measurement and see what it is. So measure there to there. Yes, 45. Good. Now we're gonna draw the inscribed circle. So we're gonna go circle, center, there, enter. We're gonna draw a hidden detail circle for the inner hole. So we're gonna go hidden circle and the diameter would be 30. We choose diameter 30. All right. We're gonna offset this circle 1.5 millimeters. So we're gonna go offset 1.5 millimeter. Enter. We're gonna choose this over there. Enter. We're gonna put this circle. We're gonna put this circle on the outline layer. All right. So this is our hex nut. We're gonna draw the front elevation for the hex nut. So we're gonna choose the construction layer. I'm gonna draw a construction line going across anywhere here. Enter. All right, the height, we're gonna transfer these points to the line that we just drew, the construction line. We're gonna turn off snap. I'm gonna go there. There, enter. Now, the height of the hex nut is 15 millimeters. So we can come here and we come here and we go 15. We're gonna go outline, change the outline. And go line from here would be 15 millimeters, right? Press enter. We're going to draw a line, a construction line from this plan, this end in the plan to come up here, that corner point, this end point in the plan, this corner point going up. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna change to our outline and we're gonna go line from there to there to there to there. Enter. Now change to our construction line and we're gonna project these lines going up. So we're gonna go line, enter, line, enter. All right. What we wanna do now, we're gonna draw the arcs that you would need for the front elevation of the nut, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna draw a 60-degree line coming down from here, right? So from here, we're gonna draw a 60-degree line coming down, right? So the length of the line would be about 100 millimeters. Less than sign. Two 240, enter. All right, so what this is the center for the art here. So we can go now and change a layer to the outline. Then we're gonna go arc center start. So arc center, enter. All right. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So we go. All right. So we'd have to mirror this arc on the other side. So we have to go mirror this line, enter, there, there, enter. All right. What we want now is a 3-point arc, so we can go to our center line, construction line, sorry. And we're gonna draw a line from here to there, enter. And what we're gonna draw now is another line coming across. So we go line from here to there, enter. So what we're gonna draw now is a 3-point arc. So we come here, 3-point, there, 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 enter. We need to trim off this that is extending. So we're gonna trim off this little part. All right. So we need a 30-degree line running here. So we're gonna change our layer to the outline. We're going to go to line. We're gonna select this point, and we're gonna draw a line. 12 millimeters. The angle would be 30 degrees. Enter. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna trim off these lines. So we go trim this line, this line, this line, this line, enter. We need to put this arc on the outline layer. Good. And we need to trim this excess line here. So we're gonna go trim, enter. All right, we need this line to be dark. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna mirror this part over that section there. So we're gonna go mirror this arc, this line, this arc, this line, so this line, enter, and the base point mirror line will be here and there, enter. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna trim off this excess part right here, okay? So we go trim this line, enter. And this is our nut, right? This is our nut. So if we turn off our construction layer, lock, and turn it off, here we can see this is our nut, right? Now, We're gonna do the same thing which is below, so we can mirror it if we want. So we're going to mirror. All right. So we're going to, okay, we need a line, a construction line going from here to there. Enter. All right, let us mirror now. So we're gonna mirror, enter, and this would be the point. Enter, right? So we need to trim off the excess. So we're gonna go trim, trim here, trim there, trim this line, trim this line. Gonna move over. All right, so we need to trim this corner. So we're gonna trim, trim, trim. I'm gonna unlock my construction layer, right? So here is the finished nut for the drawing. If we turn off our construction layer, that is our finish drawing. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna put the dimensions on it. So we're gonna turn on select our dimension layer. And now we're gonna put on our dimensions on it. So the main dimension would be this measurement here. That's 45. We need a center line going through here, okay? So we're gonna change to our center line. Gonna go line from this point to that point, enter. And we're gonna extend it beyond. All right, so that's our center line. The next thing we're gonna put on is the height. So we're gonna go here. We need to change this to our dimensions layer. Then we're gonna go here, there, ortho, turn on ortho, there, and that's 15 millimeters, right? All right, we're gonna put on the diameter for the all right, this line, which is a 30 millimeter, we're gonna change it to the outline layer. Good. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna break it, all right? So I'm gonna break this circle here. So we're gonna go modify, break. So we're gonna break it here. There, there. Right? So that is how you would draw it. Then we're gonna put in the dimension for the circle there, right? So we're gonna go here, diameter, this circle. We're gonna go diameter for this circle, and this is 30 millimeters. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna label the hex nut, all right? So we're gonna change our layer to the text layer. Then we're gonna type the text to get our text command, and we're gonna choose right here as a starting point, and we're gonna label 6 millimeters for the height, 0 degrees for the rotational angle, and this would be hex nut MS1 OF. All right, so here now we have completed the hex nut for the bracket drawing. All right, so we're gonna draw the washer now, right? So the first thing we're gonna draw is our circle. We're gonna choose our outline layer, and we're gonna choose our circle. Turn on our snap, and we're gonna draw the outer circle. So we select our point, and the radius is 60 millimeters. Well, we have to tell it that it is 60, so we're gonna tell it diameter is 60. All right. The inner circle is 32, so we're gonna go circle, center. The diameter is 32 millimeters. All right. So the next thing we need to do now, we need to put on our center lines on our washer. So change the center layer, go line, this point to that point, enter. This point to this point, enter. That's our center line. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put the dimensions on the washer. So we go to our dimensions layer. Then we're gonna select the circle, and we're gonna label this turn off snap. This circle, this is 60. This circle, this is 32. Good. The next thing we're gonna do now, we're gonna label it. So we're gonna go to text, and we're gonna 6 millimeters height, rotational angle 0, and the text would be washer 2 thick, thick, MS1 OFF. Alright, so we save our drawing. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.